It's a first this year in Allegheny County. The health department says a local resident has contracted West Nile virus. It's an infection that's typically transmitted through mosquitoes. Bob Allen has more on the diagnosis.
The Allegheny County Health Department confirms a woman from the East End of Pittsburgh is the first in the county to contract the West Nile virus this year after she was bitten by a mosquito.
Most people who get infected with the West Nile virus do not have any symptoms. About 20% will develop fever, headache, joint pain, that kind of thing.
Dr. Kristen Mertz says 1% of the population can develop neurologic symptoms such as inflammation of the brain, which can lead to permanent complications or even death. She says people over 65 and those with compromised immune systems are most vulnerable. As far as prevention, the best advice is to avoid mosquito bites.
A few things to do would be to use repellent if you're outside in the evening, the nighttime, the early morning. That's when the mosquitoes that transmit the infection are most active.
This is the time of the year when the virus tends to strike. Dr. Mertz says the county has already sprayed some neighborhoods with pesticides not harmful to humans or pets. She says they also set up traps to test mosquitoes for the virus, but residents can also take steps to get rid of the pest.
So don't have water sitting around in toys or tires or planters, that kind of thing. And if you have bird baths or sort of permanent water structures, you can either treat them with dunks or larvicides that you can get at the hardware store.
Dr. Mertz says there were no reported cases of West Nile virus in the county last year and only 15 cases in 2015. Bob Allen, KDKA-TV News.